fingers and do the twist. I'm gonna eat. Scoop it up. Use the spoon. Watch. Here you go. Yummy. Get some more. Gotta get some more. Okay. There you go. Uh-oh. I think you're about done. I think you're about done, Mr. Man. Is that Yaya? No. She's not here yet.
Bye-bye.
You want some of your juice? Can you open and close the juice? Close it. Now let me have the spoon. Close the juice. Close it. Can you close it? Close. How do you open it? You gotta open it. Open it. Open it. Open. Open. There you go. Close it. Here. Can you say juice? Say juice. Say juice. Can you say tree? Say tree. Say tree. Say tree. 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 Can you say tree? Tree. Can you say juice? Juice. Can you say grandpa? Say grandpa. No, he's not coming. Grandpa. Can you say mama?
Mama.
Can you say yaya? Can you say ball? Say ball.
Baba.
Ball. Ball. Where is the ball? You don't know where it is? Where is that ball?
Baba.
Can you say airplane? Airplane. Say airplane. Is that a tough one? Is that so? Okay. Can you say out, down? Say down.